So one of the most commonly asked questions that we get when talking about cosmetic dentistry is, well, doc, how many veneers or crowns or whatever do I need for my smile to look good? And we're going to use a picture of somebody that you're surely going to recognize, Matthew Perry. And you'll be able to see in this one picture the answer to just about all the questions that we're going to cover here, because there's a lot of things wrong with this. It's obviously from his early days with friends. The first question is, how many teeth do you show in your smile? Obviously, in a smile like Matthew's, he's got a big one. He shows a lot of teeth. So if you want to make a big change and you show a lot of teeth, well, look in the mirror, count up how many teeth you show, and that's probably the number that you need to do. Now, a very important point, don't just look straight in the mirror. Turn your head to the side a little bit, smile big, actually count to the size. You'll probably have your answer right there. Of course, this depends on, again, like how big of a change you want to make. That's the next question. If you want to make a little change, such as maybe one tooth is chipped or a little discolored or has an old filling. Okay, well, sure, you can do just one tooth. That's nice and easy. You might want to whiten the rest of your teeth and then just make that tooth to match. That's very important, actually. We have some people come in, they've had a crown done at another dentist, and now they want to whiten their teeth. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, we're going to have to redo the crown if you want your whole smile whiter. Definitely an important thing to think about. So, more teeth you show, the bigger the change you want to make, you're really looking at more teeth. So the next question is, again, how big of a change? The most common thing that people want when they're getting a smile makeover is they want brighter teeth. And I can certainly understand that. When I got my veneers, I wanted a much brighter smile for my wedding. And I didn't want to worry about whitening my teeth anymore either. You can see with Matthew's smile, his front 6 teeth are really white, and the back ones aren't. They stand out. It's like they stick out like a sore thumb. So when you want to make a big change, think about making, or involving more teeth. If you want to make a big change in terms of the shape or the size, not just the color, or maybe you need to close some spaces, or you have some teeth that are sticking out or crowded, overlapped. Again, the more teeth that are involved with that you can see, the more teeth you want to do. It's not uncommon for people to come in thinking that they want to get 6 veneers because that's just what they've seen other people maybe do. And the 6 front teeth are what you usually see when you're smiling straight ahead. But when you really smile, most people honestly show 8 to 10 teeth. When we're talking about doing porcelain veneers or crowns for a smile makeover, typically we're going to recommend at least 8, very often 10 teeth. Now, what if you show your bottom teeth? When you smile, just a big natural smile, just like you're smiling for a photo, cheese, do you show your bottom teeth? A lot of people don't. In fact, I would say most people don't. And so then, because the more teeth are involved, obviously the bigger the cost, I would say most of our smile makeover patients choose not to do the bottom teeth. When you're looking at how many teeth you need to have done for a smile makeover, ask yourself a few questions. Take a look in the mirror, think about this picture of Matthew, and think, how many teeth do you show in your smile? Turn to the side a little bit, smile, count. That's probably how many you need to think about. Next, of course, how big of a change do you want to make in color? Bigger the change in the color, the brighter you want them compared to your natural teeth, the more important it is to do all of the teeth that show. And lastly, of course, the bigger the change that you need to make in terms of shape, size, width, spacing, anything like that, again, the more teeth that you need to involve. On the flip side, if you're overall happy with your smile and you only have 1 or 2 teeth that you want to get changed, you might want to think about whitening the rest of your smile and then just getting those 1 or 2 teeth fixed. So there you have it, the big questions that you need to think about if you're thinking about cosmetic dentistry and trying to figure out how many teeth you need to have treated to have the smile that you've always wanted. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click to subscribe, comment and ask questions below. Check out our website, smilesbypayette.com, and of course follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google+, and we'll look forward to seeing you back soon for more videos.